The Bannatyne clan is a Scottish family with a rich and fascinating history. The family's name, which is also alternately spelled as Ballantyne, has its roots in the lands of Bellenden and Glenmaddie in Nithsdale. The Bannatyne family rose to prominence in the 15th and 16th centuries with notable members in fields such as law, literature, politics, and the military. One of the most famous members of the Bannatyne clan was George Bannatyne, born in Newtile in Forfarshire on the 22nd of February 1545. George was a compiler of Scottish poetry, and his collection of poems written during a period of retirement at Bannatyne House in Forfarshire was considered so important by Scottish literary giant Sir Walter Scott that he named after him the literary club which he founded in 1823. Another prominent member of the Bannatyne clan was Richard Bannatyne, secretary to the Scottish Protestant reformer John Knox. Richard appeared on several occasions before the General Assembly of the Church of Scotland to speak on behalf of John Knox, and after Knox's death in 1572, he was appointed by the Church to put in order all the papers left by him. The Bannatynes of Kames were recorded as being in possession of their lands and the castle of Kames as early as the 14th century. The castle, which would originally have been a single defensive tower, was later extended by the addition of a fine mansion house by Sir William Bannatyne, later Lord Bannatyne, in the early 18th century. Lord Bannatyne was a distinguished lawyer and judge who thrived in the intellectual and literary circles of 18th century Edinburgh. The Ballantynes of Peebles were also prominent in the Scottish wool trade in the 18th century and played a key role in the establishment of the Scottish tweed trade in 1829. The Bannatyne/Ballantyne family continues to have a rich and storied history, with numerous members who have left their mark on Scotland and the world.